Welcome to Segun Obayendo Foundation, promoting national language for unity.
Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of National Language for Unity in Yoruba. In this episode, I'll be taking you on Greetings Part 2, Ìkíni Apá Kejì. Remember, in the last episode, we learned how to greet during different periods of the day: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Morning, ẹ káàárọ̀; afternoon, ẹ káàsán; evening, ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́; night, ẹ káalẹ́. In this episode, we shall look at greetings in different periods and seasons. Greetings during different periods and seasons. Raining season, ìgbà òjò. Ìgbà òjò, raining season. Now, when the rain is falling, how do we greet? A kú òjò yìí, a kú òjò yìí, òjò á tura. You can simply say a kú òjò yìí. Then, for the fun of it, you can say a kú òjò yìí o, òjò á tura. What does this mean? It means, congratulations for this rain, it shall be peaceful. Then, ìgbà ooru, ìgbà ooru, which is summer, ìgbà ooru, a kú ooru yìí o, a kú ooru yìí o. And then what will be the response? The response will be ẹ ṣeun o, a kú ooru yìí o. This means you are greeting the person for the hotness of the weather. And then winter, ìgbà ọ̀gìnìntìn or ìgbà ọyẹ́, a kú ọyẹ́, a kú ọyẹ́ o. The response will be a kú ọyẹ́ o. The same thing, a kú ọyẹ́ o. Now, let's look at different occasions. How to greet during different occasions. Child dedication, for example. Ìkómọjáde. But before we look at child dedication, how do we greet a pregnant woman? Aláboyún, a pregnant woman. Aláboyún. We say ẹsẹ̀ á tẹlẹ̀ láyọ̀. Ẹsẹ̀ á tẹ ilẹ̀ láyọ̀. That means we are wishing the pregnant woman a safe delivery. Then if you want to move further or you want to further in your greetings, you say ẹsẹ̀ á tẹlẹ̀ láyọ̀, a ó gbọ́ ohùn ìyá, a ó gbọ́ ohùn ọmọ. Ẹsẹ̀ á tẹ ilẹ̀ láyọ̀, a ó gbọ́ ohùn ìyá, a ó gbọ́ ohùn ọmọ. That means we are wishing the pregnant woman a safe delivery. We shall hear the voice of the child and the mother. During child dedication, ìgbà ìkómọ. Child dedication, ìgbà ìkómọ. When we get there, we say a kú oríire o. That means congratulations. Then if you want to greet further, you say a kú oríire o. Ọlọ́run á wo ọmọ náà o, or Olúwa á wo ọmọ náà o. This means the Lord shall preserve the child. Congratulations. Then ìgbà ìgbéyàwó, wedding. Ìgbà ìgbéyàwó, wedding. We can greet the couples by saying a kú oríire o, a kú oríire o, and the couples will respond by saying ẹ ṣeun o, thank you, ẹ ṣeun o, thank you. If you want to further, we can greet the couples by saying a kú oríire o, ẹ̀yin ìyàwó ò ní mẹ́ni o, a kú oríire o, ẹ̀yin ìyàwó kò ní mọ ẹni o. That means we are saying congratulations, then we are wishing the wife fruit of the womb. We are wishing her fruit of the womb. Then, graduation, ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́jáde. Graduation, ayẹyẹ ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́jáde. When we get there, we can greet the graduate by saying a kú oríire o, a kú oríire o. And the graduate will respond by saying ẹ ṣeun o. That means congratulations. Response will be thank you. If you want to greet further, we can say a kú oríire o, Olúwa pèsè iṣẹ́ ayọ̀ o, or Olúwa pèsè iṣẹ́ alálùbáríkà o. This simply means congratulations, the Lord will provide you with a better job. Now, coronation, ayẹyẹ ìfinijoyè. Coronation, ayẹyẹ ìfinijoyè. You can greet the person by saying oyè á mọ́rí o, oyè á mọ́ orí o, oyè á mọ́rí o, and the person will respond by saying ẹ ṣeun o. This simply means congratulations, and the response is thank you. Now, during funeral, when you get to a funeral ceremony, you can greet the people by saying ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o. That means sorry o, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o, sorry o. If you want to greet further, you can greet them by saying ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o, ọjọ́ yóò jìnnà síra o, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o, ọjọ́ á jìnnà síra o. That means sorry o, the Lord will put end to this. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o, ọjọ́ á jìnnà sí ara o. Ìgbà ọdún, that is festive period. Ìgbà ọdún, we can greet ourselves by saying a kú oríire o, a kú ayẹyẹ òní, a kú oríire o, a kú ayẹyẹ òní. This simply means congratulations for this season. Congratulations. And the response will be ẹ ṣeun o. Then during Christmas, ìgbà ọdún Kérésìmesì, Christmas season, ìgbà ọdún Kérésìmesì, how do we greet? A kú ayẹyẹ ọdún Kérésìmesì yìí o, a kú ayẹyẹ ọdún Kérésìmesì yìí o. And the response will be ẹ ṣeun o, ẹ ṣeun o. That means Merry Christmas, and the person will respond by saying thank you. If you want to further, you can say a kú ayẹyẹ ọdún Kérésìmesì yìí o, ọdún ayabo o. A kú ayẹyẹ ọdún Kérésìmesì yìí o, ọdún abo. And the person will respond by saying ẹ ṣeun o. This means thank you. These are the way we greet ourselves during different occasions. Now, let's look at different professions. How do we greet? We can simply greet people by saying well done. When we see people working, we can simply greet them by saying well done. But there are some occupations we have to greet them in a special way. For example, ọdẹ, that is an hunter. We can greet an hunter by saying àrìnpa tògún o, àrìnpa tí ògún o, and the hunter will respond by saying ẹ ṣeun o, or ògún á gbè ẹ́ o. Then hairdresser, ojú gbòòrò, ojú gbòòrò, and she will respond by saying òyà á yà o, or òyà yóò yà o. And then farmer, àgbẹ̀, farmer, àgbẹ̀, àròkò bọ́dún dé o, àròkò bọ́dún dé o. And the farmer will respond to the greeting by saying ẹ ṣeun o, thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.